Alright, so today is August 30th, 2024, and this is the current area in front of Shibuya Station. As you can tell, construction has progressed. And the entire complex right here is now unpassable. They've blocked this area right here, and they're probably going to start doing construction work around this area. The old JR station is probably going to be demolished or rebuilt. Last month, we were able to walk around that area, but now they completely shut it, blocked it off, and the only way you could go to the station is through that passage right there. The left side of this complex hasn't changed that much. The right side, right over here, is definitely going through changes. Yeah, people were able to walk through that area last month, but now they completely shut it down. Damn, check out that Matrix billboard. Really cool. The other side of that bridge is Shibuya Crossing, right up there. And this is more like the backyard of Shibuya. So yeah, here it goes. August 30th, 2024. Current state of Shibuya. This is the side view. It looks like the JR station is going to be demolished. That building over there. If so, I'm going to truly miss it. Yeah. That building right there has always been a part of my childhood. So yeah, I'm really going to miss it if it gets replaced.